Regarding this question, let's write it down like this: the mental health processing recording of psychosis. Uh, and here, the client name can be given Miss Rex, 28 years old, diagnosed with a schizophrenia and paranoid type, which is paranoid type. So let's go on with the process recording here. So, giving the heading as mental health process recording, that is psychosis. And moving on to the recording, that is client Mr. X, 28 years old, diagnosed with